Hey guys, welcome to Casey Crawler's video. My name is Nathan. I'm, of course, not Casey. Casey's my dad. Today, we're going to be looking at the SCX10 Pro kit made by Axial Rock Crawlers. I'm hoping it's going to be really great. Let's get into it. Here it is on the bench. Let's see what you get when you order it from A-Main Hobbies. And let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's cut into it. Wherever that tape is. Here it is. Really difficult to cut into. First cut. Here we are. I have never opened this bad boy up. Let's see. First, you have your instruction booklet. Very nice. Looks very detailed. Comes with some stickers. That will add to my sticker collection. A lot of bags here. Let's start right to left. You have bag 8, which has body post mounts. It looks like. I'm gonna take a good guess that these little bad boys right here are body post mounts. Next, we have the famous links, and in bag D, links are infamous, or however you want to say it, for very time consumption and for being very difficult to get on. After that, you have bag B2, or B, sorry, which has socks. You have bag C, transmission and skid plate with all your gears. Bag E with your drive shafts. Bag G with your sliders, it looks, yeah, sliders. Man, these things are massive. Bag A with all your lubricants, bearings, and it looks like I can see axle shafts right here, so I'm assuming these are the front and rear axles. Interesting. What's the spell? Lastly, we have the frame rails, and these feel like they're metal, not plastic. These feel like good quality aluminum, maybe, probably not steel, but aluminum. Really nice. I'm gonna enjoy this. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Of course, we do real rock crawlers, and I am hoping to get started with RC cars on this channel. If you really enjoyed that, I might be doing a build video showcasing the build process very briefly, not like other people have. I also have 2 other RC cars I would love to share on this channel if you want to see those. Like this one, it's an Axial Capra. If you want to know more about it, stay tuned.